Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can get the YouTube community tab. So basically, what you're going to want to need for this is you're going to need a minimum of 500 subscribers, guys. So basically, once you have a minimum of 500 subscribers and above, you will be able to get the community tabs. Now you can see here, I have a YouTube channel with 7,000 subscribers. You can see here, I actually have the community tab where I can put a text poll, image poll, and much more. Now, basically, you don't necessarily need 500 subscribers for this because YouTube is actually rolling out these community tabs to different accounts. So as long as you're active on the platform, guys, you will be able to get the chance to get the community tab with less than 500 subscribers. But anyways, YouTube is actually rolling this out very soon, but they're currently doing it right now actually, but very slowly. But they'll actually speed up the process very soon. But with that being said, guys, hopefully you found this information extremely helpful, guys. And with that being said, if you haven't already, leave a like on the video, guys, and subscribe to the channel. But with that being said, I'll go ahead and see you guys for some of my other videos.